know if you can tell, but the sun is rising behind me, which means it's 8:30 in the morning and the thrift stores are about to open in 30 minutes. And I want to be the first one there because it's a Monday morning, so I'm motivated. I was watching some fashion videos last night and I'm like, why don't I do a thrift with me for 2020 trends? I don't know if I'm gonna do like only spring. I think I'm just gonna do broadly like 2020. I went through a lot of articles. I did my homework. I screenshot this sheet. There are a bunch in my phone that I'm going to be on the lookout for. So what we're going to do is go to the thrift store, find these, and we're going to try them on, pick out some outfits, see if we can find these trends there, and see how we can style them. I feel like I should have done one of these videos before, but I don't think that I have. So today I'm honing in on the trends, and my eyes are going to be on the lookout for them through those thrift store racks. I wanted to get there early, and I want to try the stuff on and everything, so we're gonna freaking rock this. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos like this. I kind of do a hodgepodge of a bunch of things, and I would love to have you subscribe. So let's go to the thrift, and then when we're in the parking lot, we'll sit down and have a talk about the trends and kind of plan out our little trip. So, okay. I gotta turn off my jam session. So we're at the thrift store! We made it in a record time of 40 minutes when it's supposed to take 30, but now we're gonna go through really quick the trends, and I'm just gonna like point out a few that I'm thinking that we can find. There are so many. First of all, I saw like the Pantone Spring and Summer New York Fashion Week like color palette, actual trends. I'm really excited. I think that a lot of these are like, I feel like they carry over from last year where you see them trickling in and then they like come full force like on the runways and stuff. So one was monochrome silhouettes, which I love. This one is like all pink. Try to race through them really quick so we can get in there, and I'll talk like more about them as I find them. Bra tops are another one. 60s wallpaper spring designs, like wallpapery, like fun floral designs. Glitter, all over glitter is really in. Crochets, super big, large bags, lingerie type of things and silhouettes like that as your outfit. Granny sunglasses, Euphoria, which is a big, TV show. I love that TV show. Oh, like tie-dye and like cool things. Tiered skirts, fun necklines, which I really like. They're like the 70s are like really pointed collars. Vests, like sleeveless vests, shades of beige. Nita shorts like that hit under the knee. Chunky boots with feminine dresses, so like that was a lot last year, like Docs. Faux leather coats, which is one of like the coolest things to me. Toed heels, which were in last year as well. Polka dots and loafers I'm excited to look for. Baggy trousers, boiler suits. Neon is actually another thing that's in. Neon. Let's head in and get searching for these 2020 trends. I'm super excited. I'm gonna start looking at the racks and see what we can find. I'm gonna start in the tank tops. I don't know if I can find any cool like sleeveless type thing, but we're gonna check. So that's where we're at right now. I see some cool patterns already, so I'm excited. Neon. Okay, so let's look at some leather. Oh, wait, looks really cute. So that would kind of be that corset with glitter. Not my size, but could be fun. Oh my god, wait, I kind of love it. With these. Lots of different pounds too. Right here I found polka dots, polka dots, polka dots. Good for like the big bag trend. And here's perfect for the crochet trend. Both of these are actually, this one's only $3, $2. And this is perfect to transition from like the spring. You can always find matching sets. So look at all of these. The wallpaper pattern. I made it in. And these are only like the half of what I have, so we'll get on with it. So we're starting off with the polka dots. And I don't know. It's a little too big, but if you were to like take it in. You gotta make it a slit there. But they have like this crocheted thing there. So this one I'm gonna have to go with like a, we found it, but it doesn't quite work. I mean, I guess it really could. Tapering, but it is a really pretty fit. All beiged out, which is like one of the things we were looking for, the beige. I really like the fit of the top up here, how it looks like that. And the pants actually fit really nicely. They're really, so I like kind of bunch up, but you know what, today all beige and some like nice little sandals if you wanted with this gold jewelry. I feel like this might be going too far. I like the jacket though. It's a little tight, but it might be going a little too far with the whole thing. Whole beige out thing, but kind of weird it like goes through the front, which I haven't seen really before. But still kind of fun. I mean, I wouldn't wear it together probably, but there's no pockets, so I keep doing that. But so not the most flattering, but I kind of combined like the pastel with the like undergarment thing under like a blazer, and then these are like houndstooth pattern pants, and like I don't mind the outfit actually. I like this the blazer texture and like the style of it. Really like the fit of it. With this too, but altogether it's a little much, but short trend that I saw, I found like 3 different ones of these. Don't know if they'll fit, but we're gonna try right now. So they didn't fit, but they're here. If this was a couple sizes bigger, it would be coming home with me. A little too tight down there, but up here, how fun at neon with the boiler suit. 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Here's that like wallpapery pattern. It's fun. Not my vibe, but fun. And I found a few for the colorful neon trend, so I'll show you those now. Here's one of the crochet ones. I don't know about it. I don't know if you can tell, but these pants are the coolest, flowiest pant. Oh my gosh. I feel like I kind of need them to go on a cruise that I'm going on. Like, to walk around. I mean, I can take them in a tiny bit and make them a little tighter. This is kind of fun though still. Polka dot one. But this one actually totally works. It's like a little slip dress with a thing, a sheer layer on top. And has little buttons here. Super cute. I really like this one. It has like the flutter sleeves. Super like vintage look, but in style. Polka dots really are never us. And onto the leather trend. This. You can only find black leather, but it's faux. And I love the collar on it, which is another one. Is like this kind of shaped collar, like fun. And I like the style that it's not pocketed and stuff, and it's a little longer. So here's one. I think I have a couple more. It's a bit longer and bulkier, but again, love that. It goes down to like here. Super fun. It's really not soft, but I like it a lot. This is really trend. I mean, I know it's like for winter it is, like the short puffy jackets, but I love this one. It's DKNY. I love it. My bags were all in last year, and now this year it's super big bags. So we're gonna try to go through and see if we can find any like big bags, but also here's let me see if I can find any like square-toed fun boots or shoes. Also, I think cowboy boots are gonna be in this year, like a lot. They always have square-toed shoes. Okay, did you just see my face? And look at this. Look at this. $15.99. I love it. Find too many big bags, but I found this big mirror. And that equally excites me, so I'm stoked about this. So I'm back in the car now, chilling out. Have my mirror and my couple items other that I bought. I didn't buy a lot of that stuff. I thought it was really cool. Like, I think I found like a lot of the trends. We found so many trends. I feel like we found polka dots, we found all of the pastels, we found different trends like all beige, we found the square-toed shoes, not my size, but we like put together cool outfits too. I'm sorry if I didn't talk a lot in there. It was so dead quiet. It was like weird. And you know when you're like in the changing room and it just like feels like everyone can hear you if it's like so dead. So I tried, but otherwise I think I got like some decent footage. We had fun with that one. I feel like we found so many cool things. I wish that I could have bought everything, but picked up some things that I think will be staples. But I liked so many of those things. I'm so excited and I'm so happy with how it turned out because we found so many cool things in my size too, which is kind of weird. Not everything looked the best or looked how it would look on Pinterest or whatever, but I thought it was super fun. It's fun to go by the trends sometimes. I mean, I don't really dress only by the trends. That's what I like, and there are different trends. There are like fashion runway trends and there are like social media trends and you know what I mean, different things like that. But anyway, I'm done rambling. I thought that was super fun. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, let me know. And if you have any other requests or any ideas that I could do, please let me know because I thought that this was really fun, and if there's anything else you'd be interested in similar to, I would be happy to do so. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!